Hi guys, welcome to Only Math Tutorial Point. Today we are going to discuss some applications of trigonometry chapter 9 of class 10th. Example sum. A tower stands vertically on the ground. From the point on the ground which is 50 meters away from the foot of the tower, the angle of elevation of the top of the tower is found to be 60 degrees. Find the height of the tower. So based on the question, this is the figure. We need to find the height of the tower. And the distance from the tower to the point of observation is given as 15 meters, and the height we need to find. So this becomes a right angle triangle. Okay, first write down what is given in the question. Given that the distance from the foot of the tower and the from point on the ground is 15 meters, angle of elevation is given as 60 degrees. We need to find height of the tower. From the figure, tan theta equal to opposite by adjacent side, right? So what is opposite side from this? AC is the opposite side, BC is the adjacent side. AC we need to find, that is H value, H here, substitute the values. Tan 60 is root 3, BC is 15, that is given. Therefore, H equal to 15 root 3 meters. Therefore, the height of the tower is 15 root 3 meters. I hope you understand this sum. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.